Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Cloudflare R2 from VPS with API tokens, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Cloudflare R2 from your VPS using API tokens, follow these steps. Begin by logging in to your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the API tokens section. Here, you will create a new API token. Select Create Token to start the process. You may choose to use a template or start from scratch. For this guide, select Edit Cloudflare Workers template. This template provides the necessary permissions for R2 access. Next, give your token a descriptive name for easy identification. Scroll down to adjust the permissions if necessary, focusing on R2. Ensure that the permissions include account read and R2 write. Continue by selecting the appropriate account and the R2 service. Once you've configured the permissions, click on Continue to Summary. Review your token settings to ensure they match your requirements. If all looks good, select Create Token. Your new API token will now be displayed. Copy this token to your clipboard for later use. With the API token ready, log into your VPS via SSH. Once logged in, ensure you have the necessary tools installed for accessing R2. You can use tools like AWS CLI or rclone for this purpose. For AWS CLI, you'll need to configure your credentials. Use the following command, AWS configure. You will be prompted to enter your AWS access key ID. For Cloudflare R2, enter your API token as the access key ID. Next, enter a placeholder for the secret access key, as it's not required. Input the default region, commonly set to auto for R2. Finally, set the default output format to JSON. Now that your CLI is configured, test the connection to R2. Use the command AWS S3ls endpoint URL https://account id.r2.cloudflarestorage. Replace account ID with your actual Cloudflare account ID. If configured correctly, you should see a response listing your R2 buckets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.